Hello, good afternoon. My name is Rafael Antonio Redondo, grade 72, tutor Ingrid Tatiana Gomez, National Open and Distance University United, School of Bearings, Science, Technology and Engineering, Industrial Engineering, Conceptual Math, Obstacle, Excessive Processing Time, Obstacle with the high frequency of response in Colombia. Their forms in January cause contrariety in the parting requirements, extensive verification of recurrence document, long time to respond the checkings, but long of reasonable reckons, unnecessary registration by technological chip system. Consequence, there is not protection for intellectual property, decrease in sale, and deterioration of the bonus image, generation of problems for the company, hide the trade of the brands, marketing of the same brands by third parties, hero advertising of companies. Recommendation to able by article, verify intellectual property story in the base price to registration records. This in order to able opposition from third parties in this process. Two, we will able prolong the time the with process, verifies the complete documentation and submits the intellectual property registration application in a timely manner to avoid setbacks and delays in the process. Thank you.